Well, Southtec, it's in Greenville, South Carolina, beautiful city. We definitely enjoyed the venue from that standpoint. There was not a whole lot of Swiss type machining that happens in the South, and in fact, of the major Swiss type manufacturers, only one of them was really represented there, and that's Tsugami. Citizen, Star, Tornos were not really represented at the show. So it was fairly quiet from our standpoint, although overall the show had a decent turnout. You know, it's an area where there's not a high concentration of the really small precision manufacturing. We do have some major medical customers in that area that buy quite a bit of our stuff. So in that respect, it's good to be at the regional show. It was very a muted response for us, I would say. We did have a few people who discovered us for the first time. And we also made some good connections amongst the other exhibitors, you know, people that we could cooperate with, that we could perhaps help out on their equipment. Not necessarily Swiss type machines, but, you know, other small parts manufacturing that could use our stuff. So yeah, in that respect, we made some good connections, and, you know, it was a worthwhile trip to be there.